Thunderstorms and dust storms are wreaking havoc in southwest Queensland. A dust storm swept southwest Queensland overnight, turning the sky red and leaving a thick layer of dust on the small town. Last night, gusts of wind at a speed of 93 kilometers per hour swept through the regional city of Targominda, carrying with them giant clouds of earthy red dust. The city is home to just 270 people who have begun a massive cleanup today to remove sand from their homes and property. Meteorologist James Thompson said the dust formed about 100 kilometers from land in the far west of the state and spread across the sky due to strong winds. There was a gutter in the area yesterday, and it did bring in those fierce winds that were associated with these storms, he said. Despite the apocalyptic appearance, dust storms are not uncommon in Australia and often occur in summer and spring in particularly arid conditions. As the dust settled on Targominda, the livestock complex near Goondiwindi coped with the worst of yet another storm. A devastating wind destroyed several canopies, and residents described conditions similar to tornadoes, with sheets of metal and debris scattered over several kilometers.